So this game is called Yes, Let's. It's called what?
Yes, let's.
Awesome. I hear some music. Cool. So how many of you have things that you don't want to do? And you still kind of have to do them. All right, so we're going to play a game called Yes, Let's. I'm going to start off. I'm going to pick you. Have we met before?
No.
No, you're very familiar. Okay, so I'm going to pick something that I don't like to do. Your only response, just us two, is going to be, yes, let's! And then we're going to act and improv out that thing, okay? Then you're going to come in, interrupt us, and think of something that you don't want to do. And then you're going to, narrow it down, and then invite us to do it. Our only response is going to be, yes, let's! Does that make sense? So it's like, and then you'll come in, and eventually everybody's going to be doing it. Make sense? And then you'll finish at the end, since we'll do a whole wraparound. Cool. Okay, so ready for you and I. Let's clean up dog poop.
Yes, let's.
Awesome. All right, so we're going to start cleaning up dog poop. That's tremendous. Oh, that's awesome. I should have brought a bag. Here, let's make one big dog poop pot.
Let's do dog poop and run a marathon.
Yes, let's. Awesome.
All right, let's go to the park.
This is something you don't like to do?
I don't like to go to the park when I'm not at work. I don't have any kids.
Sounds good. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yes, let's. All right. Where do I buy drugs? I go to different parks than you guys. Oh, here's some doggy bags. Yay!
Oh, yay, the poop.
Ooh, balloons at a park. That's.
Guys, let's eat the poop. I'm hungry.
Yes! Let's eat the poop. Let's eat the poop. Nutty. What do you have? What kind of poop?
Tasty.
Oh.
You know what goes really good with dog poop?
What?
Human poop.
Yes, let's!
What'd you have for dinner? That was good.
Yeah. Time for
Yeah.
That's dust.
Yes, let's!
Turn that fan on.
There you go. All right, give them a round of applause. That was awesome. That was awesome. Thank you. Have a balloon as a prize. Just went, thank goodness I did not volunteer. Okay, so it went the way that your brain told you. That's awesome.